class 9 onwards, one column is there in your mark sheet of portfolio. Clear? Am I audible to all of you? आप लोगों को हाँ या नहीं बोलना, yes or no बोलना, खाली आंसर.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So send me your detail after this class on my WhatsApp number, not in group. Hope I'm clear. And now I'm going to share the same question paper which Harit, I discuss your problem. No need to worry. Fine. The same question paper which you are discussing with Shipra ma'am, I'm going to share the same. I think question number 9. You have discussed already? Till question number 9 you have discussed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, till 13th.
But just ma'am told me till question number 9 up to Weimar Republic you have discussed. No issue. No issue, Harit. We will discuss again about the class 10. Again, sorry, question number 10 and 11. So need to answer.
मैम ने पढ़ाया जरूर है पढ़ लिख के.
Yes, हाँ पढ़ाया जरूर है but
लिखे क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 तक ही है.
so whose fault, Sheetal? You need to write this also, na? Describe the problem faced by the Weimar Republic. Up to here, you all are discussed this question, hai na? Now we will continue with question number 10. Why does the Brahmaputra is its Tibetan part have less silt despite a longer course? Why does the Brahmaputra is in its Tibetan part have less silt despite a longer course?
Ma'am, it is not in our course.
It is omitted? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. No issue. Geography, I am not knowing which chapter. So, question number 11. ये तो है ना? Population growth वाला chapter है ना, हरी?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Why is the rate of population growth in India declined since 1981? Why is the rate of population growth in India declining since 1981?
Education, government schemes.
Education what? Describe the point.
Increase in education.
I am asking why is the rate of population growth in India declining since 1981? Education. So you need to describe the answer also, how education is helping.
Ma'am, people are getting literate, so they are not having a big family.
Ask लाके बोलो शीतल.
They are preferring. Mama?
Please come closer to your mic, Sheetal.
People are getting educated, so they are preferring short families, nuclear families.
Nice. Good. Okay. Second. What was the second point, Harit?
Government policies.
Government policies. Who will explain the government policies? Government policies. We are discussing about the rate of population growth is declining since 1981. What are the major factors to affect the rate of growth of population rate? Government policy. Who will explain it? Government policy. Yes, I am waiting for your answers. Yashi. Manvi?
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, children.
National population policy was implemented by the government, which laid on education of adolescents, and that's why the
Yes. सही है. What is the next point?
ma'am birth rate or control over birth rate.
हाँ, तो यही तो पूछ रहे कौन कौन से फैक्टर है जो इफेक्ट किया कंट्रोल ओवर द बर्थ रेट. एडुकेशन है ना, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज एंड
Yes, ma'am.
only this much. For 3 mark question, only this much you will write. Aryan, Barak, Manan, Rishabh. Vanshika.
Yes.
So, now tell me the answer, beta. Are you writing it down, the answers, all of you? Because you need to send the
Yes.
PDF to Shipra ma'am. Or to me also. You can send the answer PDF to me also. Only Sheetal is sending the answers PDF. शीतल के अलावा कोई भी नहीं भेज रहा है. What is the reason? What is the reason behind it? Beta, I am talking to you guys ना. You should reply और tell me मैम आपसे बात नहीं करना है.
मैम मैं बाहर था, कल ही आया.
तो आज आप भेजेंगे आंसर आर्यन?
मैम पूरा ट्राई करूंगा.
ठीक. So the next question is, what is democracy? Please don't tell by the people, for the people.
A system in which the government of a country is elected by the people.
फिर से बोलो भूमि.
And a system in which government is elected by the people.
Yes, it is a system of government where we, the common people, elect our representative or the ruler, is democracy. Why do we need a constitution? Why do we need a constitution? I want to see your faces. I want to see your faces, children. Thank you, Manan, Bhumi. At least 2 लोगों को समझ में आया मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. शीतल, काव्या, चिल्ला. चिल्ला, you are not well, beta. No issue. Niti, Rishabh. Vanshika, Prakhar. Okay, now tell me what are. Fine. Why do we need a constitution? Why do we need a constitution?
Ma'am, it creates a good society.
Or
it lays down the limits on the powers of the government.
yes.
And tell us the rights of the citizen.
Yes.
It determines the relationship of the citizens with the government.
Good. Okay. For
Ma'am, our constitution is a set.
It is an important of the land.
Okay, so basically we need a constitution to what? For what? For set of rules and regulations to govern a country properly. If the question is for 3 marks, okay children, again I am repeating, write your answers in points. Okay. If the question is like write a detailed note about जो भी, ठीक है, about Louis 16 or about something else, जो भी आपको दिया है, then only you can write in a paragraph wise. Otherwise, please write all the answers in points. Okay. All of you got your marks, SSTs, mark of SST, I think marks of all subject.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Satisfied?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you are satisfied?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. Palampur is omitted.
No, ma'am, it's there.
Palampur is there. I need to
Yes, ma'am.
all the syllabus here along with me. Okay. So, first of all, what makes an election democratic? What makes an election democratic? Just we discuss about the what is democracy. So now we need to correlate the answer with it. What makes an election democratic?
Everyone should be able to choose their representative.
Participation is must. है ना? Vote count.
Election should be conducted in a free and fair manner.
Yes. Free and fair elections. Raghav, what happened to you?
Election must be held regularly in an interval, in a certain interval.
Ma'am, one vote, one value.
Yes, one vote, one value, right? So in this way, we will get all the answers. If the answer is for 5 marks, we need to write all 5 points. If it is for 3 marks, sufficient. 3 is sufficient. Why are the wages for farm laborers in Palampur less than minimum wages? Less than minimum wages. Why are the wages for farm laborers in Palampur less than minimum wages?
Ma'am, because the people of Palampur are not aware of governmental policies. Therefore, they are willing to work in any wages.
Yes.
And also there is a lot of competition among the laborers.
Good. Nice. Why are the women employed in low paid work? Why are women employed in low paid work?
Ma'am, because there is a stereotype mentality of the people that women can't do much work. They are physically weak.
Yes.
And mentally too. So they must be
Fine. How will you explain the term unemployment? How will you explain the term unemployment?
Ma'am, if a person is not doing any work while being in the age of 15 to 65 years old, then his term unemployment.
Once again.
Ma'am, if a person is between the age 15 to 65 years and is not doing any work while he is willing to work, then he is termed unemployed.
Good. What about the rest of his friend? Only Harit is there in the class. Rest of you are sleeping. Manan?
And when a person is actively seeking a job but is unable to get employed, is called unemployment.
Okay. Next is
Ma'am,
हाँ मनन बोलो.
ma'am, who is ma'am a person searching for a work and unable to find work is called unemployment.
It's okay. Already हरित ने ही बोला था ना. Describe the circumstances leading to the outbreak of revolutionary protest in France. Describe the circumstances leading to the outbreak of revolutionary protest in France.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait, ultimately you will tell. Let me give chance to others also. What about the rest of you? Labdi, Kushil, Manvi, Raj, Khushi.
Ma'am,
Yes, Chinna.
ma'am, the revolutionary protests in France were a combination of social, economic, political circumstances.
Yes.
They did not have any political rights or social status, but paid all taxes. So they were discontent.
Nice. Anyone else want to add something here? Hari? Yash? Want to add something here? Want to add here something? No one.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Sure. The question is, describe the circumstances leading to the outbreak of revolutionary protest in France. फ्रांस में जो रेवोल्यूशंस हुए वो किस वजह से, व्हाट वर द कॉजेज? ना
Ma'am, increasing of population which leads to food crises.
या फिर इसको और सिंपल सेंटेंस में कह सकते हैं, व्हाट वर
Ma'am, hi.
saying, someone is saying something, Yashi. Yes.
Taxes only paid by common people.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I said tax increase.
Yes, you need to, अगर आप लोग को याद होगा तो, while explaining I told you 3 major reasons were there. Social cause, है ना? Second was political cause and third was the
Political cause,
and third was the what?
economic cause.
Economic cause. So you need to make a chart type of thing right there: social cause, economic cause and political cause. Then explain about social cause, what were the social cause, then what were the economic cause and what were the political cause. In this way you will get full marks, otherwise no chance. I think आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आया, थोड़ा सा बिट ट्विस्टेड क्वेश्चन इज देयर, है ना? डिस्क्राइब द सर्कमस्टेंसेस लीडिंग टू द outbreak of revolutionary protest in France. इसी को मैं बोली what were the causes of French Revolution. अभी के अभी आप सब के सब तैयार हो जाते हैं आंसर बताने के लिए, शायद तब भी नहीं होते ना. Yes, it was there in half yearly paper. Then write a note on the role played by women during the French Revolution. Write a note. In such type of question, you need not to make points. If it is write a note type of question is there, so make a note. Write a note on the role played by women during the French Revolution. Or what was the role of women in French Revolution? क्या हुआ था? How women participated in French Revolution? How did women participate in French Revolution?
Ma'am, they started many political clubs and newspapers amongst the Society of Revolutionary and
Yes. And one famous.
they also demanded right to vote and equal wages.
Good. And very famous incident was there. Attacking on where?
Shops.
Yes, grocery shops especially, na? Attacking on grocery shop by the women. These were the steps taken by the women during French Revolution. Question number 21. Give an account of the northern plains of India. Give an account of the northern plains of India. Give an account of the northern plains of India. Yes. Okay, Google.
Ma'am, they are formed by alluvial deposits.
Nice, good. और बोलो साक्षी, अभी एक ही पॉइंट बोला आपने, नेक्स्ट बोलो. The question is for 5 marks. So we must need to write 5 points. Yes, Akshat Maruti, बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, they are the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra along with.
Yes. हाँ, अक्षत बोलो, अक्षत मारुति is trying to.
The plain is completely formed of alluvial soil.
Alluvial soil, हाँ. सही है.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am, this plains cross with 3 major rivers, Ganga, Indus, and Brahmaputra.
Ganga, Indus, and Brahmaputra. It's not Indus, beta. It is Indus. Yes, right answer.
It is divided into 4 parts due to relief distances.
Plain has been formed by the intersection of 3 major rivers.
Good. Means all of you.
It is divided into.
हाँ. Yes.
It is divided into 4 parts.
It is
Relief distances, Babur, Terai.
सही है. Good. So in this way, all of you will get 1 marks. 5 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, सबने एक एक पॉइंट बोला है, सबको मैं एक एक नंबर दे दूंगी, ठीक है. हाँ. What are the controls affecting the climate of India? What are the controls affecting the climate of India? बताइए.
Ma'am, latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents and relief features.
Longitude कैसे affect होगा बेटा?
Ma'am, sorry, latitude.
latitude. Latitudinal extent affect the climate of India. Yes, altitude is also right.
The climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon winds.
By
Monsoon winds.
monsoon winds. 3 points I got, 2 from Sakshi and 1 from Akshat. Yes. Who will?
Pressure and wind system,
Pressure and wind system is right.
ocean currents,
Ocean currents is right.
Distance from the sea.
Distance from the sea. Acha, when you are answering for 5 marks, please describe each and every point. ये आप लोग synopsis बना दिया है ना? The controls affecting the climate of India. ठीक है? Latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, है ना? Wind pressure, etc. It is a type of synopsis of the points. No need to explain it because it is for 5 marks. Okay. Now the question is for Akshat. Akshat, you just told monsoon affected the climate of India, है ना? So tell me, define monsoon. What is monsoon? Why does India have a monsoon type of climate? Why does India have a monsoon type of climate? I would like to start with Akshat. Yes, Akshat, I am waiting, beta. Don't waste the time.
Yes, ma'am.
What is monsoon?
Yes. The season when it rain a lot in Southern Asia.
The season when rains a lot in Southern Asia. It is monsoon. Anyone else? Sakshi? Harit?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, monsoon is derived from mawsim. That is Arabic word.
Yes.
Which means seasonal reversal of wind system. Monsoon generally occurs from June to around September. Sorry.
Yes, yes.
Since most of the time in India there is rainfall, that is monsoon. Therefore, climate of India is described as monsoon type of climate.
Okay. But now the next part of the same question is, why does India have a monsoon type of climate? Why does India have a monsoon type of climate?
Because it lies in the South Asia.
Because it lies in the Southern Asia. Na? So, what is the correlation between monsoon and Southern Asia? Sheetal, what is the correlation between the monsoon and the Southern Asia? सही बोला आपने कि why does India have a monsoon type of climate? है ना?
ma'am, because they cross the equator and blow in a southwesterly direction, entering the Indian peninsula.
Yes. Nice. Nicely explained.
Strong influence of the monsoon in water.
आप लोग ऐसे टुकड़ों में आंसर क्यों बोल रहे हैं? एक साथ बोलो ना, कोई भी एक कंप्लीट आंसर बोलो. थोड़ा सा शीतल बोल रही है, थोड़ा सा साक्षी बोल रही है, थोड़ा सा. ठीक है. Ultimately, collectively, the answer is completed. Okay. Very important question. What are rights? Why do we need rights in a democracy? What are rights? Why do we need?
Ma'am, you skipped 23rd question.
Sorry. Distinguish between political executives and permanent executives. Yes. Distinguish between political executives and permanent executives. And if the question is for differentiate between, compare between, distinguish between type of question, please make a column and give your answer in column. एक तरफ आपको लिखना पड़ेगा पॉलिटिकल एग्जीक्यूटिव्स, एक तरफ लिखना पड़ेगा परमानेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव्स. नाउ आंसर इट.
Ma'am, political executive are for short periods.
हाँ.
And permanent executive are for long period. Permanent executive are knowledgeable, and political executive takes advice of permanent executive and does work. Example of political executive is any education minister, any PM, and permanent executive is IAS, IPS.
Very
etc.
good. The tenure of the political executives are very limited, as Harith just told, for 5 years in India, and permanent executives till their retirement. They are highly educated, who are permanent executives, and for political executives, no need of education. कोई भी बन सकता है ना? And the political executives are elected by the common people, whereas permanent executives are posted or appointed by political executives. Okay, this is the tough one, है ना? Now the next question. हाँ. Okay. What are rights? Why do we need rights in democracy? What are rights? Why do we need rights in democracy?
Rights are the source through which a people can live its life freely or freely and equally.
Yes, freely and equally. So these are right. Why do we need rights in democracy? जल्दी बोलो मीटिंग.
Ma'am, democracy is full of righteousness. Each person should have right to do anything within our constitution. That's why right is compulsory.
That's why right is compulsory. We cannot imagine our life without rights. Put an example how we cannot live without rights. कोई भी एक example लेके लिख दो वहाँ पे, है ना? Who is there? The same question is there. What are fundamental rights? वही है. What are the 4 new rights guaranteed by the South African Constitution to the citizen? Same question है, बस थोड़ा सा change हो गया. Why do we need right in the democracy? ये है, इसका part है. What are the 4 new rights guaranteed by the South African Constitution to the citizens? ऋषभ अपने आप को म्यूट रखो बेटा. What differentiate between the seasonal hunger and chronic hunger?
I am not in our syllabus.
अच्छा सा चैप्टर तो हट गया है. Okay, so hence.
तो खाता नहीं बाबू का तो खाता मैं बिल्कुल नहीं खाता.
जब जस्ट
ले लेना. वो नहीं खाता ये नहीं. तेरे चाहिए इसमें ला दे. देती हूँ ना. मतलब वो ऐसा मत